guys, welcome back to my channel. So first off, I just want to say welcome all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. So happy you're here and you won't be disappointed. I definitely am gonna come through with this content and make you guys happy. So if you have any video suggestions or just whatever, let me know. Today's video is just gonna be me showing you how I do my own lash extensions at home. I was paying to get them done for a while and they were really nice. It was just the fact that, you know, I was spending a lot of money and I kind of looked at it like I probably could figure out how to do this, so let me try. So I did. I bought all the things that I needed and it worked out. So I'm going to show you guys how to save your money and do your own lashes. All you're gonna need is some glue, which this glue I use is by Ardell. My eyes get really sensitive to the glue that the professionals use, so if you have trouble with like irritation or redness when you get lash extensions, this is gonna be a good glue for you. And the hold is also really good too. It's not gonna be like right now I have some lashes that are still there from when I got them professionally done. So they're not gonna be like crazy, but they're gonna last you a good, you know, week or two and you'll be able to fill them in like normal. And then the lashes that I use are by Lash. So the lashes that I got were the 0.7 millimeters or whatever. The thickness is 0.7 and then the double D curl. The only thing I wish I would have done was gotten like maybe a 0.8 or 9, I don't know, in thickness, because these are kind of thin, so you have to build them up a lot more. So I would say if you want to be able to get this process done quicker, I would get some thicker lashes than this. But the curl is awesome. So I bought a set of tweezers and you're gonna mainly need this one because that's how you pick up and apply the lashes. And this one, I don't really know why it came with it, but I use it sometimes to pick up the lashes. You don't need a lot of glue at all. I would say like a dime or no, a nickel size amount of glue is gonna be fine. All right, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Yeah, you see the bags, you see what's going on here. So we're gonna grab these little tweezies. What I like to do is short lashes at the front and then let them gradually get longer towards the middle. The middle is where you want the longest lashes, and then right at the end you want to make them short. And the reason why you want to do that is because if you do keep them long, it just kind of widens your eye in a way that I don't think is cute, but if you like it, definitely use the longer lashes towards the end. So you just want to take your little itty bitty lash, see that? You want to take your lash and then just stick the end of it right into the glue. I'm going to put this 15 right underneath a lash and just let it sit there. The key to this is to make sure that you're gluing the false lash to the bottom of an actual lash. So you don't want to glue it to your waterline or whatever it's called at the top, because it will stick, but temporarily it'll definitely fall off much sooner. So you want to make sure that the lash is actually attached to one of your real lashes so that it can stay. So this eye is pretty much done, and I'm just going to finish this eye and I will return back to the camera to show you guys the end result. Okay, this is the end result, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.